In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide LinkedIn profile from everyone. If you want to keep a low profile or stop your information from appearing in search results, LinkedIn gives you a simple setting to remove your public footprint. We'll walk through how to switch off your public profile, explain what changes, and share a quick tip for turning it back on later if you need to. Start by signing into your LinkedIn account, open your web browser, go to the LinkedIn website, and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on the LinkedIn homepage. Next, head to your profile, click your profile icon at the top of the page, and select View Profile from the menu. This takes you to your full profile page where we can access the privacy controls you need. On the right side of your profile, look for the section labeled Public Profile and URL. You'll see a small pencil or edit icon next to it. Click that icon. LinkedIn will redirect you to the public profile settings page where all the visibility options for your public profile live. On this page, find the section called Edit Visibility. Here you'll see a toggle labeled Your Profile's Public Visibility. Turn this toggle off. The moment you switch it off, LinkedIn hides your profile from anyone who is not logged into LinkedIn, from search engines like Google, and from external services that display LinkedIn profiles. Essentially, your profile is removed from the public internet and can no longer be viewed by people browsing without a LinkedIn account. After you disable public visibility, you'll notice that all the options below that toggle automatically switch off as well. That's expected and confirms your profile is hidden from public searches. Keep in mind, this setting does not make you invisible to everyone on LinkedIn. Logged in members may still see your profile based on your other privacy settings and your connection level. If you want to limit what logged in members can view, consider reviewing those separate privacy options later. But for now, your public presence is turned off. One helpful note, search engines can take some time to update their results. If your profile previously appeared on Google, it may take a while for those links to disappear, even though your profile is no longer publicly accessible. If you ever want to make your profile public again, simply return to the same public profile and URL page and turn the visibility toggle back on. That's it, quick, reversible, and effective.